This is a piano tutorial for the Simon & Garfunkel song Homeward Bound. And I'll show it to you here as a piano soloist first. So go over the fingering here with you. You start with your fourth finger on the G note. That gets you all the way through that phrase. And the next one as well. Then you start with your third finger on this F. And that gets you through that. Then your fourth finger on this G. Then you gotta lift your wrist up and put your thumb on this G. And your third finger there. That gets you through the end of that phrase. And fourth finger on the chorus here. And then lift your hand up, put your fourth finger here. Fourth finger there and third finger right there. So you gotta stretch it down for that one. And then fourth finger here again. And then we gotta go way up high. Fourth finger with your E. Let's use your third finger there. That gets you through to that point. Then you put your fourth finger on D. And that gets you to the end. Not too tricky there. Then we have, I'll show you the chords here. And not too tricky on that either. You start with the C chord, and this whole song's in the key of C, yay. That's a C chord there, C, E, G. There's an E minor, E, G, B. There's the G minor. D, G, and B flat. Then an A7, E, G, A, and C sharp. Then you got a D minor. D minors, D, F, and A. A B flat chord there, D, F, and B flat. C, E, G. G7 there on band, D, F, G, and B. Another C chord. There's a C chord there on the downbeat. And an F, F, A, C. This is a tricky measure. This is the trickiest part of the song. You get a chord on each beat of the measure. So I'm going to suggest that you do this. D minor, F, A, D, and then just move it down to C, E, G, C, and then B flat, D, F, B flat, F, C, F, A, and then C. So it'd be pretty tricky. You want to practice that D minor, C, B flat, F, C. Just practice that. D minor, C, B flat, F, C. C there, D, F, G, and B. And a C again. So that measure's kind of tricky, but the rest of it's pretty straightforward. So practice it hands alone, and this is what it sounds like when you put the hands together.